In Bodenstown churchyard there lies a green grave, and wildly around it let winter winds rave. Small shelter, I ween, are the ruined walls there, when the storm clouds blow in from the plains of Kildare. Once I lay on the sod, it lies over Wolftown, and thought how he perished in prison alone, his friends unavenged, and his country unfreed. Oh, bitter, I cried, is the patriot's meed. For in him the heart of a woman combined, with a heroic life and a governing mind, a martyr for Ireland. His grave has no stone, his name seldom mentioned, his virtues unknown. In Bodenstown churchyard there lies a green grave, and wildly around it let winter winds rave. Far better they suit him, the ruins and the gloom, till Ireland a nation can build him a tomb.